Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm sharing a DIY wall art. This is a replica of something I saw created. So if you're interested in seeing my version of this wall art, please keep watching. So one of my favorite DIY YouTubers is Tresha Armstrong, and her channel is Tresha JA. It is linked in the description box below. Please check her out after you watch this video. She shared how simple it was to use glue, particularly a hot glue gun, to create very unique wall art, and I thought I would give it a try. So I'm copying her design as far as laying the glue down, starting from this center point and going out. But one thing that I'm not doing is laying down as many glue lines. I kind of wanted to stop at a certain point, so I did do that. And then I also changed a little bit when it comes to the spray painting, which you'll see later on. So again, please do check out her video, check out her channel. She's very, very creative and I'm inspired by her. So I hope you will be too. And to continue on with the project, I'm just dragging out these glue lines. And I'm just showing how I'm doing this on one half of the canvas, but I do the same, pretty much mirrored on the other side. And here's the end result of the glue all laid down. I'm just going to spray paint this with some metallic silver paint. And this is kind of where the original stopped, where it's just one layer of paint, but I got out my copper spray paint, which is like a rose gold color, and I just started from that center point where the glue starts, and I dragged the spray paint out to make a little bit more of a starburst or some kind of burst of color, and I'm using that copper paint right over that silver. And I kind of decided when I was going to stop. I didn't know exactly what I was going for. I just wanted to do something a little bit different. And then I sprayed around the border with that same color. So this can hang in any number of ways. So this is one of the four options. Can be hung with the glue coming down from the top, and then I'm going to show you the other three ways as well in case you just want to see how they look. And please leave me a comment below of which one of the four is your favorite. And here I'm just showing a little up close of how the glue looks on this canvas, and then also of course how the spray paint looks coming down from that middle section and how it just fans out. Here's option 2 with the spray paint and the glue coming out from the left side. And here you have the glue coming up from the bottom, kind of like a sunrise. And then lastly, the glue coming out from the right. So again, let me know which is your favorite. And if you like this video, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. Don't forget to check out the inspiration. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.